1956 Mercury Custom two-door sedan or two-door post here at Unique, especially in classics. 312 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a manual transmission. Shift around the column. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille and bright work on this car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, you'll see the undersides, interior, trunk. Very close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheel with wheel covers, wide white wall radial tires. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. It's kind of a medium orange with black two-tone on the bottom, and bright work. You can see there's little dings in the trim, what have you, but it's polished nicely. It's a car, get in, drive it, have some fun, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Get into the collector car hobby without breaking the bank. As you can see, two-tone interior, the black and gray combination. Of course, the black rip line also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. So take a look at the rear chrome, bright work. Dual exhaust, as you can see. It's also going to come with extra set of floor mats and a car cover for when it's in storage. That will be included. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can check out all those still pictures. Let's take a peek down this driver's side. Take a look at the bright work of paint. Fender skirts, as you can see. There might be a few little spots where maybe there's a scuff here or there. It is black, so sometimes you get some imperfections in that. Again, one of those cars. Drive it, have some fun. Like I said, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Interior two-tone door panels matching the seats. You can see seat belts added up front. And it's kind of a cloth vinyl blend. It looks like it's pretty much free of any major rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Large rear seating area. How about the headliner? Headliner looking good. All right, let's go ahead. Fire this up, so you can hear it run. I have had the wipers working, also radio worked. If your fuel gauge is going up, that gauge is working. Looks like the generator is. That was a cold start, so I'd say temp gauge in up as well as oil pressure gauge in up. So that means we come down and check these out. And there's your temp gauge and there's your oil pressure. So a couple aftermarkets running those two things, and it looks like the generator or battery gauge up on the dash is working, and not the one under the dash. Radio, working order. Top of the dash. Just got to make sure we're neutral. Again, 3-speed manual on the column. Slip around the back so you hear it run. And let's go up to the front. Check out that V8 power plant. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. Check it out. We'll wrap this video up. Underside of the hood, painted to match the car. There it is. Mercury engine. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. And if you stick around to the end of this, you're going to see what it's kind of like to take a ride down the road in this car. Virtual ride with a driving video. 1956 Mercury Custom two-door post or sedan. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
1956 Mercury Custom. This is a 3 on the tree, 3-speed transmission. This car is a 2-door. Our factory radio appearing does work, however, this is FM, so likely not factory. Very nice. Under the dash we have gauges, and temperature is showing 130. That may be reading a little low. The battery gauge is in op. The factory battery gauge is right in the middle, which is where it should be usually. The factory fuel gauge is showing full. Factory temp and oil pressure appear in op, showing 0 oil pressure and high temperature, which is incorrect. The oil pressure gauge under the dash is showing 50. Speedometer working well. Windshield wipers are functioning on this car, as is the blower motor. This particular car calls it slow and fast for the blower motor as opposed to low and high. I find those things kind of funny. Each car, each manufacturer with its own terms. So we're in second, going to third. Car corners as it should. It does lean, but a 56 Mercury should. It's a luxurious ride. Nice, quiet, stock sounding car. Stock appearing benches with cloth. Just very nice ride. Easy to drive. Check out all the pictures and read all about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.